Hello students, myself JYOTHI.I.S. Welcome to my class Maths with Jyoti ma'am. It's a class for 9th standard students, Cbse Ncert and also for Karnataka state students. In this, the chapter, our very first chapter is number systems. In that, the very first exercise 1.1. Here, first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0? The condition for a rational number is it should be written in the form of P by Q. It should be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are not equal to P and Q are integers and Q should not be equal to 0. Is it possible to write 0 as a rational number? Yes. 0 is a rational number. The answer is yes. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. Can you write in the form of P by Q? Is it possible to write? Yes, how we can write? Take the 0, isn't it? P by Q form. And also any integer you can take in the denominator. Any integer. That is except 0, isn't it? Because the Q should not be equal to 0. Except 0, you can take any integers. That is 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 5. Like this we can write the 0 in the rational form. That is denominator. We can take any integer except 0. Okay, I hope you understood. Next, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here there are 2 numbers given, whole numbers 3 and 4. We have to write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Let us make the denominator. It means it is nothing but 3 by 1. It is nothing but 4 by 1. Okay, let us make the denominator same. Here both are same. To get the more number of rational numbers, multiply the numerator and denominator by any of the integers. For example, 3 by 1. Okay. To get the rational numbers, more number of rational numbers, multiply and divide it by, consider any 10. Okay. Here the same, the 4 by 1 is also multiplied and divided by 10. We have to multiply in both the numbers the same numerator and the same denominator. What we will get here, that is 30 by 10. Here we will get 40 by 10. 3 and 4 are nothing but 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. If you simplify this 30 by 10 and 40 by 10, we will get 3 and 4 only. Now write the rational numbers between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. Those are, how many rationals they asked? They asked only 6. Here we can write many number. 30 by 10 to 40 by 10. Then select any 6. After 30 by 10, don't take 30 by 10. After 30 by 10, write 31 by 10. And then 32 by 10. And then 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, and 36 by 10. How many rational numbers they have asked? They asked for 6 rational. I am taking 31 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the rational numbers which pass between the 3 and 4 are nothing but 30 by 10 and between 30 by 10 and 40 by 10. I hope you understood. Let's move on to the next problem. That is, find 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. Third problem. Find 5 rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. 3/5 and 4/5, we have to write 5 rational numbers. That is 3/5. It is also in the rational form. 4/5. When the denominators are same. Now multiply the numerator and denominator any of the integer. Let's take any integer. It's maybe 10/10, 30/40, 30/20, 40/20. It's also, this number can also be multiplied and divided by 10. That is 10/10. Here also 10/10. Don't think we have to multiply it by 10 only. Otherwise you can multiply it by h/h. Otherwise it can be multiplied by 15/15. To get the numbers, we are multiplying. Now that is equals to 30/50 and 40/50. Between these two numbers, 30/50 and 40/50, we have to write 5 rational numbers. That is, after 30/50, we can write any number. 33/50, 35/50, 36/50, 37/50, 38/50. How many numbers there are? So there are only 5. Therefore, I am writing 5 only. Still up to 40/50, we can write the rational numbers. Okay. Next main. State whether the following statements true or false. Give reasons for every answer. The 4 men say true or false. We have to state the true or false for the following statements, and also we have to give reasons. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a Every natural number is a whole number. Okay, second one. Every integer is a whole number. Every integer Next, every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Yes, look at the statements. True or false? Every natural number is a whole number. Let us know about what are the natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinite. These numbers are whole numbers. Yes, all these whole numbers are lies in the set of whole numbers, because the whole numbers is equals to, it includes all the natural numbers. Isn't it? All the natural numbers along with 0. Therefore, all the natural numbers lies in the set of whole numbers. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, because all the natural numbers are lies given every integer is a whole number. What are the write the set of integer that is equals to integer is positive numbers 0 along with negative integers, isn't it? Every integer is a whole number. Then compare the set of whole numbers. The whole number says nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Every integer in the integer set, it consists of positive integers, negative numbers along with 0. But the set of whole numbers consists of only positive integers. It is not consisting of these negative integers, isn't it? Negative integers are not lies in the set of whole numbers. Therefore, every integer is a whole number statement is false. Okay? You should be able to reason out, because in the set of integers, positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there, and along with 0. But in case of the whole numbers, only positive numbers are there. These negative numbers does not lie in the set of whole numbers. Therefore, this is a false statement. Last one is every rational number is a whole number. Is it possible? Every rational number should be is in the form of P by Q. Every rational number is not a whole number, because the rational numbers are, that is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 9, that is 1 by 3, like this. These are in the form, but the whole numbers are in the complete form, just like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Some rational numbers lies in the whole numbers, because in case of this 2 by 2, it is a whole number because it is getting 1. But in case of 5 by 5, it's a whole number. In otherwise, this one is 5 by 1, 6 by 1. All these are whole numbers. But the rational numbers like this 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 1 by 3 are not the whole numbers, isn't it? Therefore, every rational number is a whole number is a false statement. Understood, students? I hope you understood. Let us come to the end of my class. Keep watching my videos and do subscribe. Thank you for watching, students. Thank you. Bye-bye.